Welcome to Fox Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Shazam to the control center on your iPhone or iPad. Shazam is an incredibly handy tool for identifying music on the go, and adding it to your control center makes it even easier to use whenever you need it. Whether you're in a cafe and hear a song you like, or you're watching a show and want to know the name of a track, Shazam can identify the music in just a few seconds. Let's walk through the steps to add it to your control center. First, let's talk a bit about why Shazam is so seamlessly integrated into iPhones and iPads. Shazam is owned by Apple, which is why it's easily accessible on iOS devices. Because it's a native feature, it can be added directly to the control center, a hub where you can quickly access your most used functions and tools. As of iOS 17, only native toggles can be added to the control center, which includes Shazam, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. Keep in mind that with the upcoming release of iOS 18, there are expected to be some changes to how the control center works. But since iOS 18 isn't available just yet, today we'll focus on how things work in iOS 17. Don't worry, once iOS 18 is out, I'll make sure to create an updated video to cover any new features or changes. So let's get into it. To add Shazam to your control center in iOS 17, once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Control Center. This is where you can customize which tools and features are accessible from the control center. Inside the control center settings, you'll see two sections. The first section is called Included Controls, and which shows the tools currently in your control center. Below that, you'll find a section labeled More Controls. This is where you can add additional features to your control center. Scroll through the list of options until you find Shazam. It's listed under the name Music Recognition. That's what the toggle is called. To add it to your control center, just tap the green plus icon next to Music Recognition. Once you do that, Shazam will move up to the included controls, meaning it's now accessible from your control center. And that's all there is to it. You've now added Shazam to your control center. The next time you need to identify a song, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, or swipe up if you're using an older iPhone model with a home button to open the control center and tap on the Shazam icon. It's quick, easy, and right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fox Tech C for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.